Hey there, welcome back to another episode of the Corporate Mazdu Show with Vantage Lens. And today we're talking about a very interesting topic, personal branding.
Oh, I just love Zara.
No, that's not what personal branding is. Wait, is it? I'm confused. Hold on. Yeah. Okay, now we know what personal branding is. हम लोग अभी पता करके आए हैं.
सच? तो बता क्या है पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग?
See, personal branding is how you want the world to look at you, perceive you. ये तुम्हारे स्किल्स वैल्यूज पर्सनैलिटीज़ को प्रेजेंट करने का एक तरीका है ताकि लोग या ऑडियंस ये जान सके कि तुम्हारे पास क्या स्पेशल है. It's a very unique way of sharing your own stories in your own way so that the audience not only connects with you but also remembers you.
Can you just explain the last part?
See, there is you and there is the audience, right?
Okay.
You want the audience to come to your platform and
Yeah.
recognize your work or whatever you're offering.
Okay.
How will they do that? They will be able to do that if you create a unique image of your own. Something the audience can connect with you. How do I say it? Can associate with you. It can be anything. It can be the way you talk, the way your voice is, the way you dress, what you're talking about, whom are you talking about, or what your work is. Something like I said, the audience can connect with you. Find relatable with.
Yeah, अभी थोड़ा समझ आ रहा है. I think it's like creating a unique image that highlights your identity. I think just like Instagram feed.
Yes, the Instagram feed example. It's a good example, okay?
Yeah.
And इसी का एक और example है. Have you seen Kim Kardashian's account?
Yeah. Oh my
Huh?
God, so good.
Have you seen how all her images?
Yeah.
It's following a color scheme.
Yeah,
It's
there's a
mostly
pattern.
it's mostly brown, beige, all muted colors.
Yeah.
Even if she has bright images also na,
Yeah.
she edits them and makes it look muted.
Right.
Why? Because it goes with her brand.
True.
It goes with her aesthetic. So now and now that she has her own brand like cosmetics and
Yeah.
clothes and everything, she has designed her entire brand like other brands based on
Yeah.
that aesthetic.
True. I have not noticed that before, but yeah. So like when people see this similar aesthetics, I think they immediately associate with her, like Kim Kardashian.
Exactly. समझो अपनी कहानी को अपने स्टाइल में शेयर करना.
Okay.
The goal of personal branding, I would say, is to make the audience remember you, connect with you.
Yeah. So we have talked about what personal branding is. अभी मेन मुद्दे पे आते हैं. Why personal branding is so important in today's world?
काफ़ी heavy question है, ठीक है?
हाँ.
So I will try to make it as easy as possible while explaining. तो क्या है ना, in today's world, your online presence speaks before you do.
Yeah.
Think about it. Before hiring someone or collaborating with someone, we check out their social media platforms. We Google them. We check out the LinkedIn profile. It shapes opportunities, I would say. It's important for anyone who wants to stand out in a in this noisy, competitive world. Whether you're a professional, a freelancer, or even a student.
Yeah.
सिर्फ सेलिब्रिटीज इन्फ्लुएंसर्स के लिए नहीं है. सही तरीके से करोगे तो इट कैन ओपन डोर्स दैट ट्रेडिशनल रेज्यूमे नेवर कुड. रिक्रूटर्स आरंट जस्ट लुकिंग एट योर क्वालिफिकेशंस. आजकल दे आर लुकिंग एट योर डिजिटल फुटप्रिंट. योर thought leadership and how you position yourself in the world.
Yeah, correct me if I'm wrong. The best part of personal branding is you have the full control of the narrative,
Yeah.
right? As in how people see you. If you want to be established as an expert, attract better opportunities, a strong personal brand helps to build more trust even before people meet you.
Exactly. It's not even about being famous. It's about being known for something valuable or special. और आजकल के ज़माने में ना ट्रस्ट एंड विजिबिलिटी आर एवरीथिंग. पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग इज़ अ गेम चेंजर.
अभी मेरे और 2-3 डाउट्स हैं. फर्स्ट इज पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग एंड सेल्फ प्रमोशन के बीच क्या डिफरेंसेस है? बिकॉज आई डोंट सी देयर इज मच डिफरेंस बिटवीन देम.
दैट्स अ गुड क्वेश्चन. द डिफरेंस इज सटल बट डिफरेंस एग्जिस्ट करता है. देखो, सेल्फ प्रमोशन है ना, इज़ लाइक शाउटिंग इन अ मेगाफोन टू टेल यू कि देखो मैंने ये किया है, देखो मैंने वो किया है, आई एम द ग्रेटेस्ट ऑफ ऑल टाइम. So self-promotion is very one-sided.
Yeah.
It typically involves highlighting your achievements, skills, and success. the audience is not exactly gaining anything from it,
Yeah.
and neither are they connecting with you. कुछ ज़्यादा वैल्यू नहीं है, and honestly it's very annoying when someone is on, like they keep doing it.
I know some people who do that. नाम लूँगी तो विवाद हो जाएगा.
Now personal branding, like I said, is a long term strategy
Yeah.
जहाँ पे you consistently share valuable insights, something like tips or tricks, so that the
Okay.
audience can learn something from you, gain something from you, instead of saying कि मैं इसमें expert हूँ, मैं उसमें champion हूँ. Personal branding say you are positioning yourself as the thought leader instead of simply showing off.
Acha. So through personal branding, people is gaining something from you.
Yeah.
And from self promotion, people wants to beat you up.
Exactly. Self promotion, I'm not saying कि self promotion से कुछ नहीं होता. Self promotion gives you visibility,
Right.
which is important, but personal branding gives you credibility.
Okay.
And if done the correct way, personal branding will attract the right kind of opportunities that you want. So before you start this process, ask yourself, am I adding value or am I just making noise?
अभी like समझ में आया clearly.
समझ आया? तो चलो बताओ, is personal branding only for celebrities, influencers, or entrepreneurs, or is it for us corporate mazdoors and other workers?
हाँ, that's a very good question. And lot of people have this misconception that only celebrities and influencers have personal brand. That's not true. Like every professionals, like manager, if you're an employee or a freelancer, everyone should have a strong personal brand.
You said everyone should have. So you're saying that working professionals like us should have personal branding?
Yes. Look around you. The job market is unstable and unpredictable, just like your relationships.
ये बोलना ज़रूरी था.
हाँ. Anyways, like I was saying, in this unpredictable job market, having a strong personal brand makes you more than just another employee on a payroll. It makes you valuable and visible. So, if you are known for your expertise, leadership, or problem solving skills, you become the person that people remember you when an opportunity arises. Maybe it may be a leadership role, a better job elsewhere, or a promotion. And freelancers को already ये बात पता है. They know the struggle of finding clients in already a saturated market. So if you have a strong personal brand, it's very easy to attract clients instead of chasing them.
Oh, so when people see you sharing, valuable insights, expertise, or successful projects, they trust you even before you pitch them.
हाँ, और एक बात, your personal brand acts like a magnet to attract like-minded professionals, mentors, and leaders. If you have a strong personal brand, it not only you get noticed in your own company but also across the industry. इससे बहुत opportunities side gigs मिल जाते हैं.
I also think corporate employees and freelancers having a strong personal brand makes their job transition very easy and future proofs their career. मतलब लोगों को already पता है कि तुम्हारे expertise क्या है और where your credibility lies.
हाँ, जिन लोगों को लगता है कि personal branding is all about bragging, it's not. It's about strategically positioning yourself so that opportunities find you. And it's about making your reputation your asset, I feel. Now, coming to the main thing, if someone is just starting, what is the first step they should take to build a personal brand?
If you are stepping into personal branding, the first thing you should do is get a crystal clear vision of what it is that you want to achieve, your unique value, and your target audience.
Yeah.
क्या है ना, personal branding is storytelling. What you are, what you stand for, and why should people care? So the first step is start asking and answering these 3 important questions.
No.
The first is, what are you really good at? And that includes your skills, your expertise, or passion. Second question, who do you want to reach? That means your ideal audience. Who are they? Professionals, creatives, or entrepreneurs? And the third and the most important question is, what makes you different? This includes your personality, your experiences, or the approach that sets you apart. हम सब जानते हैं कि आजकल का सोशल मीडिया का जो मार्केट है इट्स सो ओवरली सैचुरेटेड, सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू फिगर आउट व्हाट योर स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट्स आर एंड यू स्टार्ट बिल्डिंग ऑन दैट ओनली. दिस
Yeah.
गिव्स यू अ बेटर चांस ऑफ स्टैंडिंग आउट.
Yeah, that's a very important thing. And I think standing out will get you reach the right audience or goal you're trying to achieve.
एग्जैक्टली. ये एक फाउंडेशन इस्टेब्लिश हो जाए ना, देन यू कैन स्टार्ट डिसाइडिंग विच प्लेटफॉर्म यू वांट टू स्टार्ट बिल्डिंग ऑन.
Okay, so do platform matters?
येस, इट इज़ एक्सट्रीमली इम्पॉर्टेंट. इट डिपेंड्स कि आपका पर्सनल ब्रांड कैसा है, आपको किस तरीके की ऑडियंस चाहिए. सी द ऑडियंस ऑन इंस्टाग्राम इज़ वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द ऑडियंस ऑन यूट्यूब.
Yeah.
ट्विटर या एक्स के ऑडियंस को के तो सारे पागल ही हैं.
Yeah.
हाँ, एंड लिंक्डइन पे मोस्टली कॉर्पोरेट मजदूर हैं जो कि घिस पिट चुके हैं.
Yeah. So it all depends on what kind of audience you want and what materials you have.
Yes, I'll give you a quick example. अभी
Okay.
थोड़ा विवाद होगा
हाँ.
because this person is very in controversy now.
Okay.
You know Samir Raina and his India's Got Talent show.
Oh, these two, yeah.
It's everyone knows.
Yeah.
So this show comes out on YouTube. I think I don't watch it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it came out on YouTube and there are clips available on Instagram. Why? Because this guy knows that this is where his audience lives.
Right.
अभी वो लिंक्डइन पे नहीं डालेगा
Hmm.
because his target audience is different and so is his brand.
Yeah.
So Samir Raina's brand of comedy is mostly dark jokes and roasts. But these kind of jokes and roasts, these are not new.
Yeah.
But somehow he has made it into his own. तभी कोई भी dark jokes crack करे, people associate it with this guy, this
right.
comedian.
हाँ.
So you see how strong his personal branding is.
Extremely right.
That an entire set of audience associates the dark humor genre or the roasting genre to Samir Raina.
हाँ. I think the same goes for Ankur Warikoo, है ना? He's more popular in LinkedIn and YouTube. I think they both are equally successful and they know कहाँ क्या बोलना है and what their strong points are.
वही तो, if Ankur Warikoo has started doing stand-up comedy and posting it on LinkedIn, तो वो शायद ही कभी सक्सेसफुल हो पाता.
Yeah. And you don't have to be Samir Raina or Ankur Warikoo. These are big examples. But I think you can follow their game plan. And क्या पता, your personal brand becomes so big that you are able to monetize it someday.
पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग इज़ अ ह्यूज टॉपिक. लोग 3-6 महीने के कोर्सेज करते हैं इस पर, बट हमें फिर भी एक आइडिया हो चुका है कि पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग क्या है, कैसे करना चाहिए. नाउ आई वांट टू नो एंड डिस्कस what are some like no-nos or red flags when it comes to personal branding?
Yeah, that's a very important question, and a couple of things have come to my mind. The first thing is being inconsistent. If your messages, your tone, or your content keeps on changing, people get confused what to expect from you. One day you are expert in marketing, and the other day you are giving fitness tips. So audience confused हो जाएगा. So you have to stick to one point and keep sharing valuable insights on that. So being consistency is the key. And the second thing is self promotion or bragging about it. लोग तुमसे irritate हो जाएगा if you keep bragging the same thing again and again. So you have to share valuable insights, help others, and share meaningful things, instead of just keep bragging about yourself.
Those are really big red flags, I would say. And another thing came to my mind, like I would consider that to be a red flag, is copying.
Yeah.
Copying others should be a big no-no. You can get inspired by someone, किसी और से inspire होकर अपना personal brand build करना is okay. But straight up copying someone is a big no. And another point when it comes to red flags in personal branding is that if your personal brand revolves around giving hot takes or like giving bold opinions on controversial issues, make sure you do it respectfully. ये फालतू के ड्रामे, ऑनलाइन आर्ग्यूमेंट्स, इनसेंसिटिव कमेंट्स करके यू कैन गेट इनिशियल पॉपुलैरिटी, बट इससे ना कभी सक्सेस नहीं मिल पाएगी.
Exactly. Long term planning करो. Personal branding is not about overnight success. If you just chase trends or focus on immediate visibility without having a long-term strategy, you might struggle to build a sustainable brand. And another important thing is people like to see you as being real. You may feel that in order to build a strong personal brand, you will have to do something that you are so, be expert on it, or, perfect होना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं है. AI का ज़माना है, so people like to see imperfections on you. So ज़्यादा polished, fake और perfect होने की कोशिश नहीं करनी चाहिए. Share your struggles, be real, be vulnerable. Then only people like you, that yeah, you are real, and they, connect with you.
I think this advice works very well in real life as well. So that's a wrap on another episode of the Corporate Mazdoor Show, where we had a wonderful discussion on personal branding.
Yeah.
तो अगर आपको ये एपिसोड अच्छा लगा है, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.
And also, if you know some more tips on building a strong personal brand, let us know in the comments below.
Until then, bye.